Good morning, children. Today I will explain Chapter 2, The Plant Fairy of EVS book Looking Around of class 3rd. As its name showing, it is related to plants. In this chapter, first we will learn types of plants. Let us see. On last Sunday, the children played a game in the garden which name was a plant fairy. Didi became plant fairy and she gave tasks to the children. First, she said to touch the plants. All children ran towards the plants to touch them. Let us see who touched which plant. First, Dayaram caught hold a neem tree. Now observe this plant. What type of plant is this? It has very tall height, it has strong roots, strong stem and many long and strong branches. This type of plants are called trees. It means trees are the plants which has thick brown and woody stem. The stem of trees is called trunk. It has strong roots. These are tall plants and strong branches. Let us see some example of trees. Like neem tree, there are so many trees around you, like oak tree, pine tree, banyan tree and so many more. Let us see what other children touched. Ammu held the marigold plant and Shabnam sat touching the jasmine plant, whereas Michael touched the mehendi bush. Let us see what type of these plants. Observe them very carefully. Ammu held marigold plant and we can see hibiscus also here and wild rose, and this is the picture of rose, and we have bougainvillea here. Observe them very carefully. Observe their branches, observe their stem. It is different from trees? Yes, it is. It is different. How it is different? Because it is very small. It has very small height. They are smaller than trees and there is no trunk. And their branches are also very near to the ground. So these types of plants are called shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs or bushes. We can call them bushes also. The example of these are rose, hibiscus, marigold, mehendi, sunflower. Okay, let us move. Okay, Didi herself also sitting on some plants. What type of plants are these? Identify this. Yes, this is grass. Is it different from the plants which children touched? Is it different? Yes. How it? Let's first see some more plants like grass. Mint plant, coriander plant, spinach, methi and grass itself. These plants have very delicate green and soft stem, and these are very small in comparison of trees and shrubs. Can you see them? Yes. So these plants are called herbs. H-E-R-B-S. We call them herbs. For example, mint plant, coriander plant, spinach and grass. Now look these pictures very carefully. Are these differ from earlier trees or bushes or grass? Yes, they are different from earlier plants. They need support to grow upward. These are called climbers, as name shows, climbers. क्लाइंब करने वाले, चढ़ने वाले किसी के सहारे. ठीक है, तो what do you think? Why do they need support to climb? Yes, because they have very weak stem. They can't grow erect without support. वो किसी के सहारे से चढ़ पाते हैं, नहीं तो वो अपने कमज़ोर स्टेम में खड़े नहीं हो पाते हैं सीधा, इसलिए उनको सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत पड़ती है और इसलिए ही उन्हें क्लाइंबर कहा जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ग्रेप वाइन, मनी प्लांट, कुकुम्बर प्लांट, बीन. लेट अस मूव टूवर्ड्स. ओके, सी, आर दीज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम क्लाइंबर? क्लाइंबर से जो हमने जस्ट पहले देखे उनसे ये अलग है. यस, बिकॉज they are spread on the ground. As you can see, these plants growing horizontally on the ground. They cannot stand upright, so they spread on the ground. These plants are called creepers, जो कि ग्राउंड में ही फैलते हैं. अब ये भी क्यों फैलते हैं? These plants also have weak stem, so it cannot stand upright and spread on the ground. These are called creepers. For example, pumpkin, watermelon, sweet potatoes. Okay, now revise them very carefully and learn the examples and observe these plants around you. Thank you. And if you like the video, please like it and share it.